You need $1,000 in 30 days? Here's how to do it, even if you're terrible with money. Saving doesn't mean pain, it means power. For the next 30 days, you're not cutting joy. You're taking control. Step 1. Track every dollar. Write down every single expense. Awareness equals power. You'll spot leaks fast. Step 2. Cut 3 expenses. Pause 1 subscription. Skip 1 takeout. Cancel 1 impulse. Boom. $150 saved. Step 3. Sell 3 things online. Phone, clothes, sneakers, Facebook Marketplace, eBay. Easy money, $200. Step 4. No spend week. Groceries, gas, bills. That's it. 0 extras. Your savings snowball. Step 5. Weekend hustle. Deliver food, freelance, resell. 1 weekend, $200 to $400. Done. You just proved it. You can save $1,000. No excuses, no budgeting experience. Now, build your freedom fund. Start stacking income streams. Break the cycle. 1 tip a week can change your entire year. Subscribe now for money hacks that actually work.